Hi, welcome back to another DUI Nuki Miami. I'm going to go ahead and keep it nice and simple today. So this table right here, I had it for like maybe 4 or 5 years, but I never used it until I came to my new apartment. And as you can see, it needs extremely help. It needs a DUI makeover like yesterday, okay? And it have stickers on it, it have markers, paint. The original sticker that was on it when it came is coming off. As you can see, my daughter, she be making it come off and things like that. So on this table, I do my crafts for my daughter. Okay, we do our painting and things like that, sculptures, and I also use it to like put my sewing machine on top when I'm sewing, because I don't have a sewing machine table as of right now, so I gotta take what I got to make it work. In my daughter's room right now, her playroom to be exact, and as you see, she have stickers on the floor, she have balls, and she have paint on the floor. You know, she have a toy chest on this side. So it's like, okay, well, you know, you live in an apartment in New York, you already know what time of day it is. You have to like make these work with the space that you have, because sometimes it can be very cluttered and very small if you're not careful. So I went to my booty tree. Yes, I said booty tree. It's originally a Dollar Tree, but I like to call it booty tree because like people, they don't like it like I like it, because they feel like, okay, well, it's too cheap. But like I say, they bougie, I'm not. I love Dollar Tree forever, always will. So I went ahead and got some contact paper from there, and this color right here, I believe it's like a marble, it's a coffee marble brown and whatnot. So I wanted to be the exact color as the table. So I was so lucky that I came across this color, and it looked perfectly like the same color, but just the table is just like a wood type of material. And the one I got, the contact paper, I always say that wrong, the contact paper, okay, so it's like a marble. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my table starting right now. So first thing first I did is prep my table. You know, I make sure it's not dirty, make sure it's clean, make sure it's not sticky, no residue on it and things like that. And so after it's going ahead and clean, I wiped it down, and I did start to put it down already just to see how it's going to go. I just also cut it down the middle, and I just went ahead and applied it. So before you go ahead and apply this contact paper, please do not take it all the way off of the backing, because it can like get messed up. As you can see, me just having trouble with it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remind you of that. So as that, I just went ahead and laid it down like so, and make sure it's nice and neat the best way I can. I'm not gonna try to make it perfect or whatnot, but you know, just do your best as you could do it. I know y'all probably tired of me talking about subscribing to my channel, but guess what, y'all? If you feeling my videos, you like my content, show your girl some love. It don't cost nothing. It is free, absolutely free. No money down, no payment. That button right there you see it, they subscribe. Click that. Click it, click it, click it. Thank you. the second side of the table. And as I went ahead and pressed it down, I see it's kind of getting a little bit of wrinkle and a little budgy, but it's all good because I'm going to go ahead and finesse it. You know, I'm going to tweak it all the best way I can and whatnot. At the end of the day, it is contact paper, so it would not be perfect, of course. And this side right here, I noticed that it was not all the way like down like the first one was, so I took some paper from one side and I added to the other side to make it more even and make it look more up to par. Right now what I'm doing is I'm going to take some paper off from the side, and then I'm going to use that to tape down the side to make it like more like stuck to the table. Like for example, I don't want the edges to be like sticking out. I want it to be suppressed as much as possible. So instead of me taking like regular tape, packing tape, I just took the tape from the contact paper and I cut it, as you see I'm doing right now with my mouth. I shouldn't be doing that. And I just went ahead and applied it to the corner just like so. You know, because like I say, it's contact paper and it will work as much as you make it work, you know, and whatnot. But in the day, that's how it went down. And voila, it looks so much better. Like, it looks so good. Like, I swear, I'm not telling you that because I did it and it's my project. Like, literally, if I didn't know better, I would think this really came like that. But for real, it is gorgeous. Now look at the before picture right here and look at after. You can't tell me it's not a good job. For $1.25 plus tax, for real, and I only use one sheet of contact paper. That's it. Before I go, I want to tell you that right now, contact paper is in. It looks so good, not because it's cheap, because it can go on any surface except for wood, and it make anything pop. You know what I'm saying? So definitely give it a try if you up to it. I'm going to go ahead and show you some more pictures of how it look with my sewing machine on top of my table. Thanks for watching.
This shit ain't no bad. Bloody murder. There ain't no second chances.